What? What?
Okay, what do we have here today? What are we gonna do?
Today we have Hot Ones: The Last Dab.
What edition is it?
Carolina Reaper Special Edition.
Oh.
The ingredients are Carolina Reaper peppers, distilled vinegar, ginger root, how do you say this word?
Turmeric.
Turmeric, cumin, and dry mustard.
Yeah, those are some pretty tiny words.
They're very small.
Yep. So not too much stuff in there. It just looks like Carolina Reapers and a little bit of other stuff.
Mhm.
You pumped up for that or what?
It says that the heat level is 10 out of 10.
What's it say on the side there about what it is?
The Last Dab single pepper series remixes the spiciest hot sauce on Hot Ones, replacing Pepper X with some of the other heavyweights on the chili world. Experience Smokin' Ed Curry's world famous Carolina Reaper in all its blazing glory, tamed only by a zingy blend of mustard, ginger, and turmeric.
Ooh, you think it's gonna be hot?
Yeah.
The other Last Dab ones were pretty hot too, weren't they? Which ones do we have? We had the Apollo one, and then I think the very first video we ever did was like the first Last Dab. We did like 5 sauces or something weird.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, you want to open that up and pour it on some wings here, or what?
Sure.
You feeling good?
I think it's going to be pretty hot. Ooh. Oh, there's a plug in the top.
Here, you can give her a shake or something. See if it comes out. If we dump a whole bunch in there, that's fine. Oh, she's scaring me.
Nope. Kind of.
You can do it.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
That's a lot.
Do we need some more? Always.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Keep her coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. That might be
good.
it. Now I'm scared. I wasn't scared before, but now I am.
Smells pretty hot.
Does it smell hot? Let me see. Ooh, buddy. That's going to be hot stuff.
It is.
That's really just Carolina Reaper with a few ingredients. What are we getting into today? Why? Why?
I never knew chickens breathe much fire.
They would if they ate this. Oh my goodness.
I can smell it.
I know, it's making me choke right now. Oh my God.
They're very coated.
Yeah, they are. These things are just waiting to put a hurting on me. Pick your weapon.
Small.
Just a little guy, huh?
Yeah.
You think we can eat all these?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe not.
Mom will have to eat one.
No.
She wouldn't like that.
She probably wouldn't survive. Okay, are you ready?
No.
Yeehaw. Hot chicken wings. That really is hot. I'm like immediately sweating. Oh my goodness. Oh, hiccups. Oh. Wow.
That's pretty hot.
That's really hot. Oh, eyeballs are sweating already. Can't even talk because I'm hiccuping too much.
I'm sweating.
Oh my goodness.
That was like a right away burn.
Wow.
Making me sweat. What?
I know. I can't even talk.
My eyes are watering.
It's too hot. Oh, that hot one's the last dab. Carolina Reaper, special edition. It's making me sweat into my eyeballs. So what do we do? Let's eat a couple more. Oh. 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 Too hot.
I am back.
Oh.
Do you want another napkin?
Eating some more or what?
No, I'm not. It's hot.
Uh-huh.
It's real hot.
Oh. Has fire. Oh. Nose is running. Lips are burning. Hiccups are just coming.
Definitely one of the hottest ones.
Oh my god. It tastes pretty good. I mean, it's a good hot sauce, but it is just hot.
You okay? Do you need me to get you like a napkin or something?
I'm just crying a little bit. It's okay. Oh, you gotta eat all these chicken wings. Oh. I don't know what to do. He's burning. Oh. Oh.
No, I'm not eating the rest. You don't have to eat the.
You're not eating anymore?
No. My tongue feels like it's on fire. That one is really hot.
It was hot.
You're crying.
I know. It is literally making
Here. Just.
oh, tears run down my face. Oh. Oh.
And that's why I'm not eating another one.
Let's call this the torture video.
Yeah, this should be called the torture video. My mouth, my lips, are very hot. They feel like they're on fire, and I am still sweating a lot. And I only ate one. Oh, that's you. The heat is not going away.
No.
There's one more.
I know.
I feel like we put a lot on those.
Yeah, it's coated.
So it's very hot.
It's not lying.
No, definitely 10 out of 10 for heat.
Yeah, for sure. But look at that. Look at that.
It's empty. My nose is running, and I only ate one.
That's hot stuff. Oh. So I just suffer for a few minutes or what?
A few minutes, maybe an hour.
Is that what we do?
I'm still burning.
I can't help it. Hiccups are trying to kill me. Oh, sauce is trying to kill me.
I probably would have made another one, but I don't want to.
Give that to your friends if you want to see them cry.
Tell them that it's not very hot. And just give it to them.
So, tears, hiccups, and sweat.
I wiped my face with my fingers, so now my face is burning. You are very sweaty. It's a death sauce.
That's probably about as hot as it gets for a hot sauce that we've had.
I think that's the hottest one.
It doesn't get much hotter if it does. I gotta drink some milk. I don't know what else to do for this video, but just say this is hot. I'm done. Whew.